Action is coming.
Bro. Stop!
Shouldn't
I'll tabbed. I'm dead.
have picked that.
I got triggered by the guys. I got triggered by the guys and died. I got triggered by the guys and I got triggered. I got bro. I hate West keybinds.
Suction.
I pressed the Windows key, bro. I was getting triggered by the guys spamming stupid noises. I didn't know what the fuck.
No.
Action is coming.
Shouldn't
I'll tabbed. I'm dead.
have picked that.
Oh. Uh-oh. Windows key, I mean, I hit that shit all the time. But that key is so far away from escape that I don't even know how that could have possibly happened. Probably tried to Alt F4. Okay, Alt F4. Why would you ever Alt F4? All you have to do is press escape and the game pauses. And then you can take your time. Alt F4. I mean, if you're gonna scum, then just have escape as your go-to.
He has no idea
Or
what he's
bind
talking
escape on.
about. He's clueless. He has no idea what he's talking about. He's literally he has no idea what he's talking about. He's clueless. He literally doesn't even know what anything about ARPGs or Path of Exile. He's actually clueless. Actually has no idea, bro.
Because he is.
God damn.